The battlefield has changed dramatically over the last few decades, but one machine continues to dominate as the backbone of American armored power: the M1A2 Abrams. Known for its unmatched firepower, heavy armor, and cutting-edge technology, the Abrams is often considered the ultimate modern battle tank. Today, we'll take a closer look at what makes the M1A2 Abrams such a legendary war machine: its history, design, firepower, protection systems, and its role in modern warfare. The story of the Abrams begins in the late 1970s, when the U.S. Army needed a replacement for the aging M60 Patton series. The Cold War was at its peak, and the Soviet Union's massive fleet of tanks posed a serious threat. In 1980, the first M1 Abrams rolled off the production line. Fast forward to the 1990s, and the upgraded M1A2 was introduced. This version came with advanced electronics, improved armor, and more powerful targeting systems. Over time, new variants like the M1A2 SEP, SEP V2, and SEP V3 have continued to push the Abrams into the future. Despite being over 40 years old, the Abrams remains one of the most feared tanks on the battlefield, thanks to constant upgrades and modernization. The Abrams is a beast in every sense. Weighing nearly 70 tons, it requires a powerful gas turbine engine to move at speeds of up to 42 miles per hour or 67 kilometers per hour. Inside, the tank is operated by a crew of 4. Commander oversees the battle, gunner controls the main gun, loader handles the ammunition, driver positioned in the front, steering this heavy machine. Despite its massive size, the Abrams is surprisingly mobile. Its suspension system allows it to maneuver over rough terrain, and the turbine engine, adapted from aircraft technology, provides quick acceleration and smooth handling. The main weapon of the M1A2 Abrams is the 120mm M26 smoothbore cannon, designed to destroy enemy tanks with pinpoint accuracy. It can fire a wide variety of ammunition, including APFSDS rounds to pierce heavy armor, heat rounds for explosive impact, canister rounds that scatter thousands of tungsten balls, devastating against infantry. On top of the main cannon, the Abrams carries a 50-caliber machine gun for the commander and 2 7.62mm machine guns for additional defense. Together, these weapons give the Abrams the ability to fight tanks, vehicles, aircraft, and infantry. One of the Abrams' biggest strengths is its armor. The M1A2 uses a combination of Chobham composite armor and depleted uranium layers, making it nearly impenetrable to most enemy rounds. But protection goes beyond just thick steel. The tank includes explosive reactive armor modules for extra defense against missiles, active protection systems that can detect and neutralize incoming threats, NBC protection, nuclear, biological, chemical, ensuring the crew can survive in the harshest combat environments. This combination of heavy armor and defensive technology makes the Abrams one of the toughest tanks ever built. The M1A2 isn't just about brute force, it's also a highly advanced digital platform. Its systems include thermal imaging for day and night targeting, laser rangefinders for precise distance measurement, battlefield management systems that link the Abrams with other units, creating a real-time network of shared data. With these systems, the Abrams can identify, track, and destroy enemy targets faster than most competitors. The Abrams has seen extensive combat since its introduction, from the Gulf War in 1991, where it proved nearly unstoppable against Iraqi T-72s, to later conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan. The Abrams has shown unmatched survivability and effectiveness. Even under heavy fire, Abrams tanks have returned safely, often credited to their strong armor and crew protection features. Today, the M1A2 SEP V3 is the latest variant, featuring improved armor, upgraded electronics, and the ability to fire next-generation ammunition. There are even discussions about hybrid power systems and AI-assisted targeting for future upgrades. Despite being decades old, the Abrams continues to evolve, ensuring it stays relevant in 21st-century warfare. The M1A2 Abrams is more than just a tank. It's a symbol of American military power. Combining overwhelming firepower, unmatched protection, and cutting-edge technology, it remains one of the most respected and feared machines on the battlefield. And as upgrades continue, the Abrams legacy shows no sign of slowing down.